So many people today are being inspired to eat clean, healthy, whole foods, to make small changes that make them feel better. I really want you to be inspired as well. As a trained and experienced chef, I love food, especially desserts. Unfortunately, a lot of the ingredients in traditional desserts aren't good for us, but the ingredients in the recipes in this course are, and they will make you feel so much better. And they taste great, so you can have the best of both worlds. What exactly can you expect from this course? I'm going to show you step by step how you can make these desserts in your kitchen. I'm also going to show you how the ingredients chosen are healthy for us and are going to make us feel great. Also, I'll explain how you can adapt these recipes to fit your tastes so that you can have a variety and that you won't get bored. The food processes in this course can be done by any cooking level because they're not overly complicated. However, I wouldn't recommend this course to people who hate cooking. Also, in most of the recipes, I use a food processor to break down the oats, nuts, and dried fruit. Unfortunately, this cannot be done by a blender. If you don't have one, I recommend a few in the PDF that follow this intro. I understand that coming off refined sugar can be really difficult. I also understand that finding time in our busy schedules to make our own food isn't easy. But if you can find an hour or two extra in your week to make a few superfood treats, it's definitely an investment in your health that I think you will notice the immediate benefits of. I really hope you enjoy making these superfood desserts.